Hello, everybody. This is Mel the Money Coach. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode on my channel called Mel the Money Coach. I'm so happy you're here. So we have been doing a series on investments. So today I'm going to talk about a super popular topic that's all the buzz right now, cryptocurrency. So this is a topic I have been somewhat intentionally avoiding because it is so polarized. There are some folks that get so passionate about crypto and are so intense about promoting crypto. So I'm going to talk a little bit about, in this video, kind of what it is and then share my thoughts on crypto. So crypto is a brand new, I shouldn't say brand new, a currency, just like, so for example, if you go to Europe, say, and you're going to purchase something and you need to swap your dollars for euros. It's kind of similar to that. You pay so much in dollars to get so much in cryptocurrency. Now, the difference with crypto is you don't need a bank or a third party of any kind. It's strictly swapped between people. And essentially, it's worth whatever people say it's worth. So, there's like a bazillion different types of cryptocurrency, and they're all worth something different, but it can change. So part of the tricky part is knowing how much that particular currency is worth for that particular item, or, because the market goes up and down, and recently the market came way down. I know it's been a big talk over the course of 2021 in using cryptocurrency to purchase big items like vehicles and, different things. But the problem is the amount that it's worth always changes. So one of the benefits is, it's not, you don't need a bank or the government or somebody to exchange your money. Say if you go to Italy and swap American dollars for euros, that would be, government related. You'd have to swap that way. So I think one of the benefits of crypto is that it's directly from person to person. I think one of the downsides is it's not worth something consistently like the American dollar or, something like that, a tangible item. And, as far as investing in crypto, that's the big question. I'll get to that with the next video because that's a big topic too. Where do I put my money? How much do I put my money into this XYZ, whatever it is? With any of these new investment opportunities, I think we have to be really careful and cautious about investing in something that doesn't exist. So that's really the big one. So I will talk more about my opinion on crypto in the next video. I'll see you next time.